It is totally clear to everyone that overdependence on one gas source, which is from Russia, led to the weaponization of that particular energy source during last year. We will need to be more decisive in order to reduce the volatility on the markets. We will need to be more decisive to eliminate price spikes, and we will need to be more decisive when it comes to the gas caps price. We need to implement regulatory changes, and this week is crucial in that regard. So either we address properly the high energy prices. Kot evropski državljani moramo delati na tem, da naše sodržavljane iz Zahodnega Balkana prepričamo v tem, da je njihovo edino mesto v Evropi in da potem oni poskrbijo za spremembo tudi v političnih strukturah. Naprej Evropa. Hvala.